Free Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Obviously, a lot going on across the Gulf Coast. We have seen Gordon now make landfall just west of the Mississippi-Alabama border. That's going to put it over at the Pascagoula area. And they were getting some reports a little while ago of winds that were up to about 53 miles an hour. Those likely increasing here over the next hour or so. Let's start with a look at the satellite and radar picture. You can clearly see Gordon out there and all the showers that it's been bringing. A lot of rainfall up through northwestern Florida. Even West Mississippi has stayed quiet so far. Now, all of this is going to continue to drift down over towards the west. So I do imagine that they will get their showers here soon enough. But right now you can see that the eye has made landfall just the other side of the border. This is going to put a lot of water up through the Mobile Bay area. It did hold right around that 70-mile-an-hour range. Never quite made it to Category 1 hurricane status, but a very strong tropical storm, very churned up. You've got storm surge about 3 to 5 feet up through some of those areas down over towards Pensacola. It's been more around the 1 to 3 foot range as far as the storm surge goes, but a lot of rainfall, and I think rain total is probably going to max out somewhere right around 12 inches or so. As far as the tropical storm warnings are concerned, it's really only the extreme eastern parts of Louisiana that are going to see it. These are some of the winds that we've seen so far today, and you can see it's a very, very compact wind field. You do see some of the stronger gusts, though, 40, 50 mile an hour. That has made it down over towards the Pensacola Bay area. That will put Navarre Beach right on the fringe of some of those stronger storms, but the winds haven't really made it further east than that. So again, a very, very compact storm, kind of as we were thinking. Going to continue to see this push northwards here over the coming days. Should fizzle out sometime tomorrow evening as a tropical depression. It is quickly going to weaken. Again, winds now at about 70 miles an hour. Gusts have been registered up to about 85. Looks like the final pressure was down to about 997 millibars. We should now pretty quickly be close to done when it comes to talking about Gordon. We aren't really going to get any effects, as we've been mentioning here the last couple of days. They might get an isolated shower or two. Well, we'll see those winds kind of wrap around. They get a little bit of drier air to try and work its way in, but we're pretty muggy out there. It will take a lot to make things feel fresh, and I don't think that we're quite going to get it. Now, as Gordon does track northwards a little bit, it will pull some of that moisture in from the Gulf of Mexico. Expect a rainier day on Thursday. Not a washout, but certainly on again, off again showers expected. Kind of like a rainier summer day where it's not complete rainfall blanketing, but you get a couple rounds that makes its way through your area. That's what we're looking at on Thursday, then back to normal by the time we get to the weekend. So we'll continue to run through Futurecast. You can see it by the time you get to Wednesday afternoon, it's really losing a lot of its structure. Still a little bit of a circulation, takes a lot of that wet weather up through central Mississippi and then onwards into east Arkansas, where it could bring a lot of rain. It will be flash flooding threats out over through there. For us, the rainfall arrives on Thursday. You can see a pretty wet day coming up on Thursday. Then it calms in the evening, and then by the time we get into Friday, scattered showers again, 40-50% chance of rain on Friday. We'll roll through that through the majority of the weekend. Overnight tonight, it is a heavy atmosphere out there. A lot of moisture hanging around. 73 degrees for your overnight low. Nearly calm conditions out there. Not a whole lot of air movement currently. You'll see those highs get up to around 90 degrees tomorrow. Heat index will be close to 100. A few isolated showers, partly sunny skies. Going to make sure sunshine and clouds out there. We'll be sitting in the mid-80s on Thursday with a little extra cloud cover and some heavier showers. And then over through the weekend into next week, we'll probably stick around that 30-40% range. Lows will go anywhere from the low to mid-70s.
All right, thanks, Daniel.